to Casa Escher. This is the front entryway, your entry door. To the right are stairs that you can take if you're brave, or if you go through this magnificent tunnel, there's an elevator. Elevator is not very big. It usually occupies 2 people. So if there's a group of you, you might have to make a few trips. So we're going to go in and bring you to our. As soon as you get out of the elevator, directly to your right is the door to your casa. And when you go into the living room, you are greeted with this beautiful view of the ocean. This is your living room area. Beautiful high ceilings. So before I take you outside, I'm going to show you around inside. So you have a TV with a box, and then when you go to the right, there are 2 doors. The first French doors are to the bedrooms, and if you go to the right, you can have a hallway going to the his and her bathrooms, as well as the kitchen and the washing machine. So let's take you to the bedrooms first. This is the first bedroom. And they're really, really spacious. And again, you have a beautiful view of the ocean, and then a direct access to the living room. And that door right in front of you is the ladies' bathroom. Then the next bedroom is the master bedroom. This is where Jon and I are staying. So you can see some of our things laid out. We were greeted with that beautiful bouquet of flowers in the right-hand corner by the host. This door in front of you leads to the garden, which we'll show you in a sec. And again, a beautiful view of the ocean, and look at those beautiful boats. So through the master bedroom, you have access to the kitchen. And it is a full kitchen with a beautiful view of the garden. And you have everything that you need: microwave, stove, dishwasher. You have an espresso maker, coffee maker, toaster oven, fridge. And it's actually really beautiful. And this way to the left is the bathroom. Straight ahead, you're going to see a closet that's covered by the curtain. And here is your washing machine. Now this, again, living room, access to the first bedroom, and then when you go straight, you're in the kitchen, and you have access to the other bedroom. This garden is absolutely stunning, and there's 2 parts to this garden. You have a private section, which is in front of you, and one on the side. I'm going to show you how to access the garden through the master bedroom. I really love the decor and the architecture in Italy. Absolutely stunning. So Jon's going to actually show you how to use this beautiful lock. I mean, it's the little details. Go into the garden. This is your access through the bedroom. You're immediately greeted with this stunning view. This is the road right below you, but honestly, it's not even that loud. Barely hear it. And the view is worth it. This is your garden area. Absolutely stunning. Access to the kitchen in your bedroom. This is so beautiful. The beautiful trees. It's absolutely gorgeous. You can stand out here or chill out here with your friends or with your favorite person and have a beautiful drink, and maybe some snack, maybe a cheese board, and enjoy the view. And shout out to all my Instagram folk who like to take pictures. There's a lot of content ready spaces for you here, so get ready. This area here is actually shared by some of the other guests, but we've been so lucky that there's no one else staying in the other parts of the casa that would even access this. So Jon and I have been enjoying this space together. Over here, beautiful, beautiful walkway. It's just stunning. This is one of my favorite parts of the house. This is a very, very, very old painting that has been a part of the house for many, 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 many years and maybe centuries. And it's absolutely stunning. This is a staircase that leads up to the road. You do have a key to get there. You can close these gates if you want, but we leave it open because at the top there is a gate, and there's also access to the other villas that share this common area here. We're so impressed. It doesn't even really feel like we're in an Airbnb, if that means anything. The check-in process has been amazing. Our host, Paula, was phenomenal and very, very quick in registering us so we can enjoy our space and enjoy Amalfi. Yeah, look how beautiful. I mean, now let me bring you outside. So both of these doors open up, which is very, very nice. There's a little hinge here that you can do to connect it just so the wind doesn't close them. But from your bed, look at this view. How romantic. How romantic. And then the view of the garden. When you go on this balcony, it does not disappoint. It is very, very long and spacious. This to your beautiful coastline. Sit out here, have a beautiful glass of wine, enjoy your conversation, enjoy life, have some gratitude for this beautiful view. It's beautiful. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we hope you enjoyed your tour. If you have any questions or if you'd like any advice about booking this place, let us know. There's going to be a direct link below for you to book your stay here. Thank you so much to the host of this Airbnb, and thank you so much for all of you for watching and enjoying this view with me. We'll see you soon. Bye.